Daman AMVP improves the overall supply chain to get assembled manifold valve products to end users better, faster, and less expensive with the reliability, repeatability, and traceability that Daman Products is known for. Utilizing world-class processes, our 11 full-time designers provide exceptional custom manifold solutions that meet the highest standards of excellence. Like our design team, Daman's manifold assembly team has perfected processes and procedures to produce the same exceptional performance ratings for your AMVP. Located in northern Indiana, along with a number of valve manufacturers, Daman AMVP minimizes shipping time and costs. In addition, we've developed a custom web application that puts current, accurate SOPs and work instructions at the point of use. Employees can follow step-by-step instructions or watch a video that shows proper installation procedures to ensure accuracy, efficiency, and repeatability. Daman's homegrown assembly bench innovations allow us to clamp the smallest assembly manifold up to the largest manifolds in a matter of seconds. The bench can equally accommodate high quantities as well as one-off assemblies with the same speed and efficiency. Regular calibration of digital torque wrenches ensures manufacturer torque specs are applied accurately with exceptional repeatability. Without AMVP at Daman, the distributor would unpack and discard the packaging materials, assemble valves, then have to repack for shipment. Daman AMVP eliminates wasteful packaging in the supply chain, allowing Daman to package the final assembly to their exceptional standards for safe delivery. Our top-performing distributors can assemble and test in-house. Likewise, many of their end users do as well. Daman will design the manifold, manufacture the manifold, handle all the valve assembly requirements, and place the completed assembly in our trigger program so it can be shipped the same day it is ordered. For more information on how Daman AMVP can benefit your facility, contact our member services team at info@daman.com or by giving us a call at 574-259-7841.